Let's find all the rainbow colors.
Rainbow colors, come and see. Come and learn along with me. Red and yellow, green and blue, purple, orange, waiting too. Purple, orange, waiting too. Let's go searching, come along, learning colors with a song. I see an apple shiny red, growing high above my head. Red, red, what a sight, bright and happy, glowing bright. Yellow, sunshine in the sky, smiling warmly way up high. Yellow, yellow, big and bright, making every morning light.
Wow, look at that big blue ball.
Blue ball bouncing on the ground.
I got it.
Roll and learn along with me. Red and yellow, green and blue, purple, orange, waiting too. Green tree dancing in with me. Blue, blue, looking breeze, waving leaves among the trees. Green, green, fresh and bright, growing tall with all its might. Purple grapes upon a vine, round and juicy, looking fine. Purple, purple, what a treat, sweet little grapes are fun to eat. Orange carrot in the ground, let's pull gently what we found. Orange carrot in the ground, let's pull gently what we found. Orange, orange, now we know, colors help our learning grow. Red and yellow, green and blue, purple, orange, we found you. Rainbow colors shining bright, learning colors is a delight. Yay, we found the rainbow!